Hello students, this is the question of 2025 JEE Advanced and paper 2. And everybody, if we just notice last 6 years, I have seen that the continuity, differentiability and AOD questions are regularly coming. Not only one, more than one questions are coming, and this particular sum is related to the very good concept and analysis. Okay, so let us start. Why I am telling you about the differential calculus? Because this particular sum containing function, limit, continuity, differentiability and AOD, obviously it is related to the maximum minima. So let us analyze, let us understand the things, what will I say, the trick behind solving the sum. So in this case they are telling, let R denote the set of all real numbers if R2 R, fx equal to 6x plus sin x by 2x plus sin x not equal to 0, and fx equal to 7 by 3 when x equal to 0, and we are seeing that this is related to the maximum minima. So we'll read this later. Let us proceed first by seeing the sum, what to do. Sums देखिए क्या करना चाहिए. Let's see this. First of all, this sum does not contain mod box fraction root signum. Therefore, x tend to 0 plus and 0 minus is similar. Moreover, denominator is not 0 by any means for all real number. Okay, so the function is continuous for all real number, and we have to check only the point for x equal to 0. Just we'll check x equal to 0 here. Now, series. So what we'll do? Let's check the continuity. So let's check the continuity here. Limit x tend to 0. Once again I am telling you, x tend to 0 plus and 0 minus both will be the same, because it is simple sum and denominator. Simple sum in the means, once again I told you that mod box fraction root was not there and denominator is always positive. We'll check x at x equal to 0. We'll check the limit at x equal to 0. After checking the limit, it will be checked 0 plus and 0 minus is same here. So 6x plus sin x by 2x plus sin x. If I divide by x, that is limit x tend to 0, 6 plus sin x by x by 2 plus sin x by x. So sin x by x is coming to be 1. Therefore, this is coming 6 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is coming 7 by 3. At x equal to 0, this is also coming 7 by 3. Therefore, function is continuous. We can say function is continuous at x equal to 0. Therefore, it is continuous at all the real numbers. Okay. So, function is continuous at all the real numbers. Therefore, to check all the maximum minima point, we have to do the differentiation. If it was not continuous, then we have to check by some another method. Okay, that all the methods, all type sum, I'll be coming one by one later. So first of all, we'll go to the differentiation of this. We have to get the f dash text because the question is totally related to the maximum minima. So first of all, we'll do the differentiation, and for differentiation, let us reduce some part. So in this case, denominator 2x plus sin x. So I am just breaking this part. 2x plus sin x plus 4x total divided by 2x plus sin x. Here also 2x plus sin x. So that is 1 plus 4x by 2x plus sin x. Let us go to the differentiation. So I am doing f dash x equal to derivative of 1 is 0, and this is the coming to be u by v formula. This formula is coming to be u by v. I am taking 4 outside, it will be easier for us, because for examination whole everyone, time does the matter. Whole square u by v, v square, v constant, it means 2x plus sin x constant, derivative of x is 1 minus x constant, 2x derivative is 2 plus cos x. So if we calculate, we are saying that what is coming, 2x is getting cancelled, 4 sin x minus x cos x total divided by 2x plus sin x whole square. This is coming. So I am writing this portion. In the next page, it will be easier for us to get the place. So f dash x is coming to be 4 sin x minus 4 common sin x minus x cos x. So I am writing here, once again I am writing that f dash x equal to 4 sin x minus x cos x total divided by x 2x plus sin x whole square. Let us simplify more easily. It will be easier for us if we can simplify. If I take the cos x common, so tan x minus x. Last year I have seen lot of students done mistake. This is a question of IIT, everybody. This was the question of IIT, JEE Advanced question. So there must be some trick in the sum. So let's see where is the trick. First of all, in this case, we'll see that if we make our target is the maximum minima, and to check the maximum minima, we have to make f dash x equal to 0. This is a primary target. F dash x equal to 0, and that point, the point of x will get, that is the point of maximum minima. That is the primary target. So if we make it 0, this portion 0, we are getting cos x equal to 0. Cos x equal to 0 means x equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 by 2. I have seen lot of students last year they have done this mistake. So everyone, this is, remember, odd multiple of pi by 2 is not the critical point. Remember one thing, I have seen last year number of students they have done this mistake. So the argument behind the students was that if we make f dash x equal to 0, either cos x equal to 0 or tan x minus x equal to 0. So cos x equal to 0, it means odd multiple of pi by 2, that is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 is odd one is the critical point, because f dash x will vanish here. If you already know at odd multiple of pi by 2, function is not the critical point. Okay, first of all, let's know what is the critical point. Critical point is that when number of conditions are there. For this case, when f dash x equal to 0 or undefined, that point is called the critical point. But in this case, f dash x is not 0 at x equal to odd multiple of pi by 2, because this is the derived, original is this. If we put x equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, function is not coming 0. So remember one thing, here it is a trick of JEE Advanced question. So because in JEE Advanced there are a lot of, every sum there is a tricky question. So cos x equal to 0 is not the critical point. Remember this. Then what we'll do? In this case, we'll make tan x minus x equal to 0. So tan x minus x equal to 0. So tan x equal to x. It means what we'll do? If we make f dash x equal to 0, we are getting the tan x equal to x. So tan x equal to x, that number of solutions at the point where tan x will cut y equal to x, that is the critical point. So let us search the critical point. Let us search the place of critical point. For this, we have to draw the diagram of y equal to tan x. Now let's draw the diagram of tan x. So if you ready, I'll just wipe out this part. Suppose it is 0. If I draw y equal to tan x curve, so this is pi, this is pi, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi, this is 4 pi, this is 5 pi, and we need up to 6 pi. 6 pi. This is a graph of tan x. Now, tan x equal to x, the number of solution point will give you number of solution. Now that solution point, intersection point of tan x equal to x will give us the critical point. So I am drawing tan x y equal to x curve. So if I draw y equal to x curve, we are getting this y equal to x curve. So in this case, once again, at 0 they will cut, and after that, and everybody remember one thing, we know that tan x between 0 to pi by 2, tan x is above x, and between 0 to pi by 2, sin x is below the x. So tan x is above x, and first point of intersection is this point. This is the first critical point, which is x1, then this is x2, then this is x3, then this is x4, then this is x5. There are 5 critical points between 0 to, this is between 0 to pi to 6 pi. Okay, so let us place x1 is the first critical point lying between pi to 2 pi, x2 lying between 2 pi to 3 pi, x3 lying between 3 pi to 4 pi. So let us look at this. So this is 0, this is x1, this is x2, this is x3. 1 minute. This is x4, this is x5, this is x6. x6 is not there. x1 is between, see, understand, x1 is between pi and 2 pi, this is 3 pi, this is 4 pi, this is 5 pi, and x5 is between 5 pi and 6 pi. Now, almost our diagram calculation is done. Now we'll check option one by one. First of all, the point x equal to 0 is a point of local max, and point x equal to 0 is a point of local min. Function is totally continuous. It can be either A or B. This is an MCQ question. So let's see. Let us check. So first of all, what we'll do? F dashed 0 plus, if we check. So in this case, we are seeing that cos 0 plus or 0 minus is same, because cos function is a even function. So f dash 0 plus, tan x is above x, so this is coming positive, and f dashed 0 minus, if we check, so cos x is not a problem at all. Problem is tan x is the negative, therefore this is coming negative. So function is coming from negative to positive, 0 minus negative, 0 plus, negative to positive. So function is a local minima. At x equal to 0, function is a local minima. So I'll mark it here. Now the number of points of local max in pi to 6 pi. So let us check pi to 6 pi. First of all, x1 is a point lying between pi and 2 pi. Once again, I am showing you the picture. This curve, that x1 is a point, x1 is a first critical point lying between pi and 2 pi, and accordingly. So I'll check here that x1, f of f dash pi plus more than pi, what will happen? At the vicinity of pi, sin x is 0. Let us check it. At nearly pi, nearer to the pi, sin x is 0 and cos pi plus is negative. So this is coming negative, negative. In this case, it is coming to be positive. Cos pi plus is negative, and this is coming positive. And f dashed 2 pi minus, if we take 2 pi, so this is similarly nearer to 0, and cos 2 pi minus is just coming to be positive, right? 1 minute. Cos 2 pi plus, for pi plus it is negative, 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 positive. This is negative, negative, positive. Yes. Cos 2 pi minus, for 2 pi minus, this is coming nearly 0, and this is coming positive. So this is coming to be negative. So for pi plus, this is coming positive, this is coming negative. So positive to negative, positive to negative. So x1 is a point of max, local max. So this is, it is coming max, and everybody will check like this. But remember one thing, for a continuous non-constant function, the function or maximum minima will be alternatively, because positive, negative, positive, it will be going like this if it is non-constant. Therefore, otherwise you can check through 3 pi. At 3 pi, if we take the 3 pi plus, function is coming positive. If we take the 4 pi minus, the negative. Similarly, positive, negative. Or we can apply about this thing. So here it is coming mean, it is coming max, it is coming mean, it is coming max. Our sum is over. Now we'll check the option. The number of points of local max in the interval pi to 6 pi is 3. Let us see pi to 6 pi. Between pi, everybody, between pi to 6 pi, this is pi, pi to 6 pi, this is pi to 6 pi. This is coming to be what? Max 1, 2, 3. Absolutely option number C is right. And option number D is telling number of points of local mean in 2 pi to 4 pi is 1. What is 2 pi to 4 pi? This is 2 pi. This is 2 pi to 4 pi. Number of, what is coming? Number of local mean between 2 pi to 4 pi. Between 2 pi to 4 pi, how many mean? This is 2 pi to 4 pi is 1 mean. Therefore, absolutely right. So everybody, this type of sums regularly I will be coming with you, and must study this continuity differentiability chapter. It is a turning point on calculus. Must study well, everybody.